taking?
I'm taking a video of Joseph. He was pushing the button on the air purifier. Joseph, where's the button?
This is my mermaid. And this is the shark. The squeezy shark. And you're the drama lady. We're all in this. See, those was a toy house. No, a picture of the mermaid. So mermaid comes sit on there. Mermaid comes sit on there. God, welcome. Mermaid, come sit on there now. Oh, dear mermaid. I have 2 hands. I have 2 hands.
I do have 2 hands.
Oh,
But
no.
only one of them is on the camera, and that's okay. Come here, Joseph.
No, this is a mermaid.
Come here, merman.
No, it's a mermaid.
A boy mermaid is a merman.
A merman?
Mm-hmm.
What does that mean?
Well, maid is another word for girl.
Girl? That's a girl?
Sort of.
That's a girl mermaid.
In one of its definitions.
This is my girl mermaid.
Is Joseph a girl?
No, he's a girl mermaid. And you're a mermaid. It's not up to you're a mermaid.
You're entertaining, Naomi.
Wait. Turn it off.
Can you turn it back on? Joseph, you found a...
What's that one?
That's an air freshener. Come here, Joseph.
What's air freshener for?
Come here.
What's the air freshener?
It's to make the air less stinky.
Stinky?
Less stinky.
Yeah. I don't like it stinky.
The diaper pail is stinky. And so we have an air freshener near the diaper pail to make it less stinky.
Stinky?
And an air purifier blowing at Joseph's crib so that hopefully his congestion will get better. Oh, you're making it smell better? That's so nice. Hi, my Joseph. Hi, my Joseph. You smell better now?
I do smell better. See? It's all better now.
Oh, thank you for helping. Okay, Joseph, say bye-bye.
Bye.
Okay, Naomi, say bye-bye.
Bye. No, I'm a mommy. And this is... Hey, Mommy's daddy. And Mommy's on Daddy's nail.
Bye-bye.